Which reaction occurring in the blast furnace is an acid-base reaction? Option A is carbon plus carbon dioxide giving carbon monoxide. Carbon dioxide is an acidic oxide. However, carbon is not basic, so option A is incorrect. Option B is carbon plus oxygen giving carbon dioxide. Again, we have no acidic or basic oxide reacting, so option B is incorrect as well. Option C states calcium oxide plus silicon dioxide produces calcium silicate. So we see that silicon dioxide is an acidic oxide while calcium oxide is a basic oxide. So we see that there is an acid-base reaction going on, so option C is the correct answer. In option D, we see that although iron 3 oxide is basic, carbon monoxide is a neutral oxide, so it is not an example of an acid-base reaction. Question number 33. 3 different beakers are set up as shown. So we have beaker 1 in which there is a rod of metal Z and aqueous metal W salt. In beaker 2 we have rod of metal W and aqueous metal X salt, and in beaker 3 we have a rod of metal X and an aqueous solution of metal Y salt. The information given is in beaker 1 metal W is displaced from solution, so this means that Z is more reactive than W. In beaker 2 metal X is displaced from solution. This means that W is more reactive than X. In beaker 3 metal Y is displaced from the solution. This means that X is more reactive than metal Y. The question is, what is the order of decreasing reactivity of the 4 metals? So if we write them all in one line together, we see that metal Z is more reactive than metal W, which is more reactive than metal X, which is more reactive than metal Y. So metal Y is the least reactive element, while metal Z is the most reactive. By taking a look at the options we have, we see that the correct answer is option C, because it is in the order we determined using the information given. Question number 32. Aluminium is manufactured by the electrolysis of aluminium oxide. Which substances are formed at the electrodes? So we have the positive electrode and the negative electrode. We need to know first that at the negative electrode the positive ions are attracted. In the manufacture of aluminium, when electrolysis of aluminium oxide occurs, there is the positive aluminium 3 positive ion. So at the negative electrode we should have aluminium metal formed. Taking a look at the options we have, we see that in option A carbon dioxide is formed, which is incorrect. In option B oxygen is formed, which is incorrect. In option C we see that aluminium is formed, which is correct from the information given. And in option D carbon dioxide is formed, which again is incorrect. So the correct answer is option C, which is at the positive electrode carbon dioxide is formed and at the negative electrode aluminium is formed. We can also check this by looking at the positive electrode. Since at the positive electrode we have the formation of oxygen, we see that the oxygen reacts with the carbon electrode to form carbon dioxide. Hence option C is the correct answer.